And at least in terms of some common definitions, language is, whether it's spoken or written, entails sounds. So silence, at least in a logical ways of thinking, would be the opposite. Just in very simple terms, and I'm a pretty simple monk myself. So I do think about this in some simple ways. On the other hand, and the metaphor, the actual example or the metaphor of the conductor up there, and maybe there's a little whiff of sound off of the baton or what have you, is actually a great metaphor for the poems, as you were saying last night. And I would add to that that silence has its own language. And most of the time, most of us don't hear it. And by not hearing it, we deprive ourselves of one of the greatest joys of being human.